is hot in Texas, and here's the third of my series, cooking outdoors on the cement. There's the pan warming up now, and today we're going to be making bone-in prime ribeye steak. While the pan's heating up, we'll salt and pepper this. All right, it's been heating up for a bit. Ready for the flip? Look, it's juicy there. Here we go. Oh, wow. It's ready for the next step. Oh, look at that. See the juices? Okay, this is already melting in the heat. Fresh from the garden. This might be a little pinker than I normally eat it, but hey. Ooh, it's so juicy. I don't want the juices to... Look at that. Ah, let's see. Let's see the other side. Nice. Ooh, where should I start? Where should I start? Where should I start? Right here. Ooh, actually it's cooked, more cooked than I thought. Oh, it's more cooked than I thought. Look at that. Tastes like the sun cooked it.